And there it is. As soon as the game loads, you can see the Delta Executor menu has popped up on the side. It even says, "Thank you for using Delta," which is awesome confirmation that it's working perfectly. What's up, Roblox fam? I am back with another epic tutorial, and today we will check out how you can get the super powerful Delta Executor right on your iOS or Android device. Just a few quick steps, and you'll be all set. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. You need to head over to this specific website, imodblocks.com. Make sure you type that out super carefully, guys. Now, once you're on the iModblocks site, you'll see a bunch of awesome options for Roblox. But for today, our main focus is on the Executor section. Go ahead and click on that. Here's where it gets interesting. You're going to need your unique Roblox user ID. Don't worry if you don't know it offhand. I'll walk you through exactly how to find it. So let's head over to Rollimon's site in a new tab. Once you're there, you'll need to type in your Roblox username. After you hit enter, your character profile should pop right up on the screen. See, there it is. Look at the URL bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a series of numbers at the very end of that URL. You need to carefully copy just those numbers. Once you've got that string of numbers copied, head back to the iModblocks tab where we were before. Go ahead and paste them in, then click the Search User ID button. The site will take a moment to process and find your account. Perfect, it found it. Next up, you'll see the Select Script section. Make sure the box that says Install the latest version of Delta Executor is checked. You can choose any script you want to install alongside it. For this demo, I'm going to pick Overflow. After making your selection, hit Continue. And boom, API connected. All right, so now that everything's set up on the website, let's head back and launch the Roblox app. We're going to play a game and see this Delta Executor in action. Let's pick a game like Survive 99 Nights in the Forest. Sounds like a good place to test our new powers, right? It might take a moment for the game to load, but that's totally normal. Just be patient and we'll be in there in no time. And there it is. As soon as the game loads, you can see the Delta Executor menu has popped up on the side. It even says, "Thank you for using Delta," which is awesome confirmation that it's working perfectly. You've got all these options right here. Let me just open up the script menu. See? We have Overflow and Forge Hub already loaded up. Exactly what we chose. This is so cool. Now, let me show you some of the insane stuff you can do with these scripts. We can navigate through different tabs like Items, Combat, and ESP. Under Items, you can enable things like Auto Farm Wood or Auto Fill Hunger, which are super helpful. In Combat, you've got options for Kill Aura or adjusting your hitbox size. And for ESP, we can enable Animal ESP or even Chest ESP to find things easily. Automatically chopping trees and feeding the fire. It's so efficient. This script makes survival so much easier and more fun. You can literally just sit back and watch it work its magic. So there you have it, guys. We successfully installed Delta Executor and loaded up a powerful script all in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to try it out, please smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Roblox content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.